Hi children, welcome back to our channel Amaze Tutors. Today we are going to learn how to divide fractions. How to divide two fractions, how to divide fraction and a whole number and so on with some examples. So you know how to multiply two fractions we have seen in the last video. When you multiply two fractions, you multiply straight across. The numerators get multiplied, the denominators get multiplied, isn't it? I'll show you one example. If it is 2/5 times 1/3, what we have to do? We have to multiply the numerators straight across. 2 ones are 2. Multiply the denominators, 3 5s are 15. That's all. This is how we will do the multiplication. And the final answer, if it is possible, we will simplify. Otherwise, we will leave that as the final answer. But when you divide by a fraction, you have to flip that fraction you are dividing by so that the numerator is on top and the denominator is in the bottom. That is also called reciprocal or reciprocating. If a fraction, say a by b, reciprocal of this fraction is just switch the numerator and denominator. In other words, upside down. You are writing the number upside down. So B comes to the top, A comes to the bottom. This is what called reciprocating. I'll show you, explain you with some examples. This is called keep, change and flip method. Let's look at this example. 3/4 divided by 2/7. What we have to do? First fraction keep as the same. I am writing 3/4 as it is. Change the division symbol to multiplication. Flip or invert. Flip only the divisor fraction or the second fraction. So 2/7 will become 7/2 because we just learned how to reciprocate it. Writing upside down. Numerator comes to the bottom, denominator goes to the top. Now multiply as usual. 3/4 times 7/2 after flipping. What we have to do? Numerators get multiplied, denominators get multiplied. 3 7s are 21, 2 4s are 8. Now we cannot simplify this, there is no common factor, but it's an improper fraction. You can convert that to mixed number. I hope you know that, or I'm going to show you in a separate video, maybe in the next video, how to convert improper to mixed number and vice versa. As of now, 21/8, we will do the division. Right? How many 8s in 21? 2 8s. 16. What is the remainder? 5. Now, quotient comes here, the answer. Remainder goes on top and the same divisor. This is how we will change the improper fraction to mixed number. So, I'm going to explain with more examples in the next video. If the final answer is improper fraction, convert that to mixed number. So this is the method when you divide two fractions. Keep, change, flip method. We will see some more example. Fraction, dividing fraction by another fraction. 3/4 divided by 1/8. What is step 1? Keep the first number as it is, first fraction, 3/4. Change the sign, division sign to multiplication sign. Flip. It is 1/8. When you flip it, it will become 8/1. Now multiply as usual. Multiply the numerators. Multiply the denominators. 3 8s are 24. 4 1s are 4. Now, is this the final answer? No. It's possible to simplify. Actually, it is going to give you the whole number because 24 is completely divisible by 4. We know 4 times table. 4, 6 are 24. Isn't it? This is the final answer. The final answer can also be the fraction, not only the whole number always, it can be a fraction too. In this case, we got the whole number. This is how we will divide a fraction by another fraction. Let's look at the next example in which we are dividing a fraction by a whole number. So here, as I already mentioned, you are going to flip only the second number or the second fraction. Divisor. This is dividend, this is divisor. But how will you do? This is a whole number. Same method, keep, change, flip method. Keep the first fraction. Change the sign. Now, any whole number can be written as a fraction with denominator 1. I hope you remember this. All the whole numbers can be written as a fraction with denominator 1. So the question will become 7 over 1. Now flip the 7 over 1, which will become 1 over 7. You are writing upside down. Now multiply the numerators as usual, denominators. That's it. 4 ones are 4, 5 sevens are 35. Now this is not possible to simplify. That's why this itself is the final answer. I hope you understand how to do. Now I'll explain how to divide a whole number by a fraction. So this time whole number is the first number, divisor is the fraction. Now no need to do anything with the first number, keep the same. No need to even change it to fraction, no need to write it as a 5 over 1. Keep the same number because we are going to flip only the second fraction. So here, change this sign to multiplication, flip 3 by 2. Isn't it? Keep, change, and flip. That is the method. Now, you know how to multiply a whole number and a fraction. Maybe here you can write 1 if you are not comfortable with that. Even if it is it is not given, you are going to multiply only the top numbers. Bottom number 2 remains the same. But you are not comfortable doing so, you can write 1 in the bottom and multiply like this. No issues. 5 3s are 15, 1 2s are 2. Now, the numerator is greater than the denominator. It is an improper fraction. We can able to convert this to mixed number by doing the division. 2 sevens are 14. When you take away, 1 is the remainder. Quotient, remainder. So quotient comes here, remainder on top, same divisor or same denominator. This is the answer in mixed number form. So this is how you will multiply fractions by whole numbers or fraction by another fraction and so on. If it is given as mixed number, 2 mixed numbers, you are going to convert both of them to improper and multiply or divide as usual. I'll show you in the next video how to deal with the mixed numbers. I hope you understood all the examples I explained today. If you find it useful, you can like the same. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you next time. Bye.